case you manually need to pair the remote to the speakers, that's actually really simple. The first step is to set the speakers in Bluetooth pairing mode. There are two ways to do this. One is within the app. You can go to the settings, select Bluetooth, and from here you can activate the Bluetooth pairing. The second option is simply holding the Bluetooth button on the back. Hold the button for 3 seconds, release the button, and the speaker goes into Bluetooth pairing, and you can see the blue LED flashing. Now with the speaker in Bluetooth pairing mode, you take the remote, hold down the buttons 1 and 3 for about 5 seconds, and this LED on the remote control will start blinking. Within a few seconds, the remote control finds the speakers and they are automatically paired together. The speakers play a little sound to acknowledge that now the remote control is paired together with the speaker, and now we can control the speakers from the remote control.